Alright guys, so I'm outside in the backyard and we're going to give the good old hand drill a try again. I got a piece of willow here and I've got a piece of mullein. So I'm going to give this a try, you know, straight up right on here, so just see if I can get the ember going, hopefully before the rain starts. So stick around and I'll give you a close-up and we'll see what I'm doing here. All right, so we got a little divot cut inside the willow, and my mullein stick is just about ready to go. So let's give it a try and see what happens. See if we can start to burn in. Take that ring off. All right. My mullein stick split out. Look at that. Oh, we'll have to fix that. There we go. Now I heard a tip. It's good to just to scoop out a little tiny bit of the pith inside. Let's see if there's any truth to that. All right. I think I might have to put a foot on it. There. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're picking up some smoke. Let's go grab something to catch up the dust. Alright, so I got myself a piece of birch bark here. I'll use that. I'll cut myself a notch. Very humid today. Hopefully it doesn't rain before I get an opportunity to get my ember. But we'll see how it goes. So I've heard it's good to cut about to the center of the hole. I think I might have made my hole a little bit too wide, but also to give yourself some room on the inside to let some air in. Let's see if that's any truth. So there we go. Kind of made our notch there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's give it a try before that rain comes. Don't like to rush this, but I really like to get an ember and blow it to flame, just to do my victory dance inside the rain. See how it goes. Well, I do have some dust building here. Seem to be doing pretty good. I don't know if you can see the smoke, but we'll see how it goes. We're getting quite a bit of smoke now. Whew. Nope. Shit. Now guys, it appears it's another fail. Well guys, once again, I failed. So I did my bow drill attempt for the first time in my life. I got an ember on the first time. Ever since then, not a chance. And I'm pretty sure I get a lot of dust, a lot of dust spilled up, but it's really light. And I think I may be putting too much down pressure. So I don't know if you can see. Well, I'll give the camera a turn in a second. The heavens are about to open and dump on us. So I'm gonna call it quits for now. And somebody told me that if I'm sweating, I'm doing something wrong, and I'm pretty sure I'm putting too much down pressure. So this time, to avoid destroying my hands, I'm going to slow everything down, and we're just going to try it again in a couple of days. So anyway, you guys take care, get out and explore, and practice your hand drill. Take care guys.